So, ayan na guys. Na-open na natin ang aking suitcase. Ayan guys, small, medium lang. Yan lang ang in-order ko guys kasi sobrang laki ang large. So, I think enough na to sa 25 kilos. So, ayan guys, ang ganda ng kanyang kulay. Look at that. Flymax. 4 wheels siya guys, look. Wow. So, ayan guys, may lock naman siya. So, ang ganda. Wow. Ang ganda guys. So, wow, ayan guys. Tingnan natin ang kanyang, ang kanyang, wow. So, ito din ang, may laman na to guys, yung aking maliit. So, ito na lang, kasi ito ang aking in-order na huli. So, ayan guys. Ready to fly na siya guys. It's Flymax. Look. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and share. Mafi Purple UK. Have a nice day everyone. God bless. So, ayan guys, mayroon siyang safety dito. So, ayan. Ang ganda guys. Dahil paborito kong kulay. Purple.